Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will explore one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of all time. I am talking about artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us. From smartphones and virtual assistants to healthcare systems and scientific research, AI is becoming an essential part of modern life. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and how it can be used to solve real-world problems through a research-based example. So, let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on developing systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, recognizing patterns, solving problems, understanding language, making decisions, predicting outcomes. In simple terms, AI enables machines to learn from data, make intelligent decisions. Why AI is important? AI helps individuals, organizations, and researchers solve complex problems more efficiently. Some benefits of AI include faster decision-making, improved accuracy, automation of repetitive tasks, enhanced productivity, better analysis of large amounts of data. Today, AI is used in many fields, such as healthcare, education, agriculture, transportation, manufacturing, business, and scientific research.